Life is short, not in a poetic way, in a mathematical one. If you live to 80, you have only 4,000 weeks. That's it. And the most painful part? You don't feel time slipping away until it's already gone. So today, let's talk about the only resource you can never recover, your time, and how mastering it will change your career, your relationships, your energy, your wealth, and your entire life. 1. The truth about time. Time doesn't speed up as you get older. Your attention gets weaker. When you're a child, everything is new. Your brain records every detail. As an adult, your life becomes repetitive, and repetition makes time disappear. Lesson: if you want life to feel longer, fill it with meaningful, challenging, and new experiences. Practical strategies. Try one new thing every week: a skill, a place, a book, a conversation. Break your routine intentionally. Your brain will slow down your time perception. 2. Priorities over productivity. Most people don't have a productivity problem. They have a priority problem. You can't do everything. You shouldn't do everything. What truly matters is not how busy you are, but what you choose to be busy with. Practical strategies. Identify the 3 things that actually move your life forward. Say no to everything that doesn't align with them. Use the 80-20 rule. 20% of your activities produce 80% of your results. 3. Relationships, the real wealth. At the end of your life, you won't remember your emails, deadlines, or meetings. You will remember faces, voices, memories, and moments. Relationships are the only investment that grows, even while you sleep. Practical strategies. Schedule time with people you love. Don't wait until you're free. Choose relationships that give you energy, not anxiety. Learn to listen more than you speak. 4. Career. Skill greater than effort. Hard work is not enough. Direction beats speed. Skill beats effort. Most people work all day but grow very little. The winners? They invest in rare skills first, then work hard. Practical strategies. Improve one high-value skill for 30 minutes every day. Track your growth monthly, not daily. Become so good that opportunities look for you. 5. Health, the foundation of everything. Your time is worthless if your health collapses. Energy is your real engine. Practical strategies. Sleep 7 to 8 hours, the cheapest life upgrade. Move your body daily, even for 10 minutes. Protect your mental health like a precious asset. 6. Learning, the compounding superpower. 340 to 420. Knowledge compounds faster than money. Every book, every course, every conversation plants a seed that keeps growing. Practical strategies. Read 10 pages per day. That's 12 plus books a year. Learn from people smarter than you. Replace passive scrolling with active learning. 7. Emotional intelligence, the hidden skill of successful people. 420 to 500. IQ gets you hired. EQ gets you promoted. Self-awareness keeps you growing. Practical strategies. Observe your reactions before you express them. Ask, what emotion am I trying to avoid? Practice gratitude. It resets your entire emotional system. 8. Financial wisdom. Buy time, not things. Money is a magnifier. It reveals who you are. But the ultimate purpose of money is to buy back your time. Practical strategies. Spend on assets that save time or generate income. Live below your ego, not below your means. Put consistency above intensity. Invest a little every month. 9. Creativity and curiosity. Creativity is not talent, it's exploration. The more you observe, the more you imagine. Practical strategies. Ask what if every day. Create something weekly, a note, a video, a design, an idea. Allow boredom. It unlocks your creativity. 10. Social capital. Your network is a time machine. The right people accelerate your life. The wrong people slow it down. Your network determines your opportunities, your standards, and even your mindset. Practical strategies. Connect with people who inspire you. Offer value before asking for it. Build a reputation for reliability. Your life is a countdown. Your life is not a blank page. It's a shrinking one. Every day you're writing a line you can never erase. So use your time intentionally. Protect it fiercely. Choose what matters, and live the kind of life that will make you proud when your countdown hits 0. Because in the end, the goal is not to live long, it's to live intentionally.